Hello, YouTube. It's January 2, 2013, and I'm back with a new video. See, I wasn't lying to you that I will do videos every day. Of course, I just might be doing two videos 2 days in a row. I might not do a video tomorrow. You just have to tune in. I'm going to show you a few things that's within easy reach of me right here, just to give you a taste of what's in this room. A gigantic book, The Incredible Hulk Omnibus, that was published by Marvel a couple of years ago, and it's a really thick book. See that? And it collects, I think, more than 20 issues. More than 20, I think almost 30 issues of the very first issues of The Incredible Hulk, starting from the 1960s onwards. Incredible Hulk is a favorite character of mine from Marvel, and so you can imagine how excited I am to be actually working on the newest Incredible Hulk title for Marvel as an inker. The title of the comic book is Indestructible Hulk. I'm currently working on finishing the 4th issue. 2 issues have come out so far, and the 3rd issue is going to come out later this month. Here's another item here. It's a kind of tragic actually, because I wanted to buy a Criterion edition of Godzilla. This is the original Godzilla movie, Japanese, the very first Japanese version of it. And I wanted to buy a DVD of this, but I made a mistake. This is not a DVD. This is actually a Blu-ray. It's a Blu-ray disc. And the tragic thing is, I don't have a Blu-ray player, and I don't intend on buying a PlayStation or anything like that, because I'm not really a hardcore gamer. Not like that, you know. But actually, I play games on the computer once in a while. My favorite current game is Path of Exile. As you can see on the computer screen there, it's actually, if you haven't heard of Path of Exile before, it's actually hack and slash, very much like Diablo actually. If you're a fan of Diablo, this is basically, when Diablo 2 came out, I got addicted to that. Late 90s, early 2000s, I got addicted to playing Diablo. In fact, it helped me become late for a few issues of comics I was doing at the time. And ever since Diablo, I've been looking for similar type of games, and I found things like Drakensang and Torchlight 1 and Torchlight 2, and eventually Diablo 3. Although I enjoyed Drakensang, I enjoyed Torchlight, and to a certain extent I also enjoyed Diablo 3, but they weren't as fun as Diablo 2 was, you know. So when this came out, I saw a closed beta website of this. Actually, it's still in closed beta. I tried it out. You know, you can gain access to the closed beta by paying $10. Actually, the $10 goes to helping develop the game. It's by an independent company from New Zealand. There's a small group of independent game developers, and they really need money to develop this game. So $10 would give you access to the closed beta, but the game will go into open beta later this month on January 23, and when it does, you will be able to access the game for free. So if you don't want to pay for it now, you can just wait until January 23, and you will be able to pay. You will be able to play it. Pathofexile.com